Erno Rubik once said, "If you're curious, you'll find the puzzles around you. If you're determined, you will solve them." This statement holds true when solving Mr. Rubik's greatest creation, the Rubik's Cube. This cube has baffled kids and adults alike since the 1980s, and today I'm going to teach you the basic concepts to solving it. By solving the 3 layers one at a time, you will complete this task. If you fully put your mind to this, and anything really, you will achieve this goal and solve the cube. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is solve this white cross right here. In order to do this, you need to line up the white edge pieces around this yellow center, and then make sure that these different colors here, like orange to orange, blue to blue, all line up. And then what you will have is a white cross here. This is the basis to starting the entire solving process, and it's extremely important to get it right. The next thing you got to do is obviously get these white corners in. Now much like over here, these diagonal corners need to be the same color as the middle. So what you got to do, like this one right here is orange, you got to slide it over to this orange side, and then just simply push it up, push this one over, and then push it down like this to move this corner into place. You need to repeat this process for every corner so it solves into one side like this, and you will have successfully completed your first side to a Rubik's Cube, a great achievement. And as you can also see, you'll have magically solved this first layer as well. Now second thing you need to do is solve obviously the second layer. To complete this, you need to move these edge pieces into place as well. It's very, very similar to solving this first layer here. All you need to do is line up this with this top piece with this center color, and then turn it away to the left of it, and then just go up, over, and down, and then up, over, down again, and this piece will be in position right here. Now, due to the constraints of time, I've already completed this cube right here, so the whole second layer is solved. Now once you complete the second layer, a yellow cross will have formed on the top. This is extremely important as this is crucial to solving the yellow side. Now when you get the yellow side, it's a bit more complicated. What you have to do is put a corner piece on the left and turn the cube up and over and then back down, over one more time, up and then over twice, and then you'll have this piece that comes in the corner right here. You'll have to repeat this process again, and if it's done correctly, you will have yourself the yellow side already completed. Now in this case, the cube will have already solved itself, but this isn't usually what happens. Usually what happens is something like this. You get one side complete and a bunch of pretty much everything completed except for this one piece right here. So this is the last thing you need to do to solve this third layer, and it's a big long algorithm. An algorithm is a big series and sequences of moves that you need to memorize, and memorization is key. If you mess one thing up, your whole cube is screwed. So what you have to do is take the completed side, put it on the right of your body like this, and then turn this side twice. Alright, bear with me. Turn this side, the top side, over to the left once, turn this back side down like this, turn the front side like this, turn this left side again twice, turn this side here, this side back towards you, over again, and you'll have yourself a completed Rubik's Cube. As previously stated, solving the cube can be done by the average person with the right mindset and some determination. You start with the first layer with the white cross, the corners, and the overall bottom row. You move to the second layer where you simply just move the edge pieces into place and begin the yellow side. Finally, you solve the top row by memorizing the one simple long algorithm that doesn't take a whole lot of time to learn but is extremely important to solving the cube. The only thing holding you back from learning how to solve it is yourself, and if you're truly curious enough, as Mr. Rubik said, you'll find success.